Guys, today we are playing I Am Cat. I know it's not Roblox, but it's still on the same Blue Gamer channel, and we will be playing other games. Okay, let's get into it. Yes, I have played this game before, so I'm on level 4.
Wait, am I being born right now?
I'm sorry, there are so
Hello,
many
world!
ads.
It is me! The bird.
Sorry, but
I can climb.
okay, let's go. And you wreck the house without Grandma knowing. Could be. Oh, actually, you know what? A good idea would to be turn on the TV. Okay, turn on the TV. Here we go. Oh, I hear Grandma. Guys. I heard Grandma. Go in. Okay, I saw Grandma, I think. Yeah, she's behind the fish tank. See, that's Grandma. Okay. Aw, it's so cute. Volume all the way up. Do that in 30 seconds. Aw. Let's go find Grandma. He's so cute, isn't he, Grandma? Hey, Grandma. I just knocked Grandma out. Are you okay, Grandma? Grandma? I'm gonna grab you. I just grabbed Grandma. Let's watch the show while holding Grandma. Grandma, why'd you hit the button?
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream.
Skip the ad. We don't like the ads. They're just boring. Nope. Okay, let's go, Grandma. Let's see here. Can't get up here. Okay, let's see. Thank you for popping that balloon. We can do everything we want while Grandma's... Oh, there's 5 balloons. Nice. I popped 5 balloons, guys. Grandma, get him. Okay. So today we are going to just be playing it normally and drop Grandma. Okay, we better run. Oh, well, after this ad, there are so many ads in this game. I'm sorry, guys, but the ads go by quick. Don't worry. There we go. Ad skipped. No. Okay. Grandma might be mad at us. Oh no, she's going to get her frying pan. Quick, fall asleep, fall asleep, fall asleep. Okay, that causes an ad, but ready? Okay, but then we fall asleep and Grandma's not mad at us anymore. Hey buddy, time to play Melon Sandbox. Quick, fall asleep. Whew. That was a close one. Okay, we fell asleep and she's not mad at us anymore. Let's get to the...
Making my way downtown, walking fast, space is fast and I'm homebound.
Okay, let's see. Why can't I look down? Okay, guys. So I can't turn or look down. Grandma, can you help me? I think my neck's broken. Okay, I think I just knocked her out. No! No! Did you see that? Dude. Okay. I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. Okay. And Cat is really funny. I love this game. Okay, now I can move my head. My neck's
Shut
not
up.
Pretty
Get out.
This job does not pay enough for me to do all of this stuff. I got an
Hey guys, don't
8K.
listen to these ads. Some of them are not good. Especially if you're a kid watching, don't listen to the ads because Come on. Okay. You scared me for a second. Dude! Okay. USA! It always said there was a train back here, but the videos were just literally lying. If you come over here, it goes into an endless road of nothing. Okay, let's see. Get up here. Get up here. Get up to here. Get up to here. Nah. Okay, let's see. We can do this, guys. Come on, people. I know y'all love Blue Gamer. No! Come on. Blue Gamer. Blue Gamer. Everybody chant go Blue Gamer. Also, I've changed my name or my channel name to Blue Gamer 55. But it's not. But I'm still known as Blue Gamer. Yes! And we actually can't go in the fish tank. But we can watch an ad for fish food. Hold on. We're going to watch this ad real quick.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open with me
This
to
guy-
boom. Ding dong, ding dong, shalang, shalang, shalang.
Okay. Please ignore these ads.
Life could be a dream.
Like some of them might not be good. Okay, now we have fish food. Okay. Now we have to drop it. No. Drop it in there. We dropped the fish food in the fish tank. Let's try to get in the fish tank. Hi guys. That voice from last episode. What? No, that was me. What? That was not the same voice from the last episode. You're lying. Well, you aren't lying. No, we're joking, right? No. Okay, will it go up? Will it go up? Will it go up? Okay, so we're gonna keep playing the game. Okay, let's go upstairs. Grandma. Okay, hold on. Actually, let's see. There we go. Now on top of the refrigerator. There's a bug up there. Ah! Why is there a bug up there? Oh, it's a fish! Oh no! Oh no, guys! There's a fish! Oh no, we have to get up. This fish will die. I don't know how it's been there for 1,000,000 years. And it's still moving around, wiggling and jiggling. No! We have to get this fish back in. Then maybe it will let us in because it loves us. Come on. Guys, we all love animals, okay? No, I don't want those dumb special offers. No, don't put an ad on. Grandma, don't laugh like that. And don't hit me.
My snake is literally 3 times faster than everyone else's. Want to know how?
She's lying.
Okay, check it out. Just
Okay, I'm
tap the
talking
settings
over this
button.
because I don't want y'all to hear. Okay, there we go. Snake Clash, get this game. It's really fun. I don't have it. Maybe I'll get it one day and then I'll make a video with it. Okay. We gotta save this fish. No. What? Grammy? Grandma?
She said Desiree.
Okay, fine. Y'all weren't joking. That is the voice from last time. Don't be mad at me. I'm scared, guys. Because Grammy might have her frying pan. Yes, we made it. No! We tried so hard.
Owen, can you do Gummo jump up there?
My name's not Owen, guys. My name's not Owen, my name's Blue Gamer. That's just the nickname Brooke calls me. I mean, that person calls me. No! Oh, we can literally just get up like that.
Oh, you'll be just fine, okay?
Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all over here. Okay, we're gonna drop this fish back in. There we go. And he just ignores us? What? Oh, she's watching the TV. Okay, let's see here. We're gonna take her upstairs. No, what are all these special offers about? Make it to the most lagged spot. Take it over here. Take it over here. Oh, yeah. There's no way Grandma's getting over here, guys. Ha! Grandma can teleport! Guys, Grandma can teleport. Dude, she was literally... Why are there so many ads? She was literally just right over there and she teleported down. That was insane. I hope you all liked Blue Gamer. Okay, let's see here. Oh yeah, up there. Grandma will never know we popped this balloon. Let's go up here. Pop. I wish we... I think... Yeah, we have to find the key card. Oh, Grandma didn't know. We have to find the key card to get to the garage, which I think will be how to get outside. Can you not... Can you not break this? Okay. There's another balloon. There's another balloon. Let's pop it.
But Grandma's close by.
No, she's nowhere near. There you go. Look, she's all the way down there. Wait, is that how we get the banana? I've been wondering how we get this. I'm sorry how many ads this episode has had, but the game's still really funny and fun. Don't know why it has to have so many ads. But any of these games, if y'all want to get it, y'all can. I'm scared I'm gonna miss it. No! Oh man, I just... Mom? Mom? Mom! There we go. The banana's literally an ad. Ooh, we could use it to get Grandma. Hey, Grandma. Okay, we're gonna stand on her face, scratching her.
She's gonna wake up.
I know. That's the whole point. Remember, I'm not saying who that voice is. Okay, I don't know how long this video has been. Okay, but after this, stop. Okay, let's see here. Look, when we try to drag his arm. Oh, that's not real, guys. That's just a watermelon. It's not blood. You'll play Minecraft, right? Then you'll know that skeletons are bad guys, but they're not truly bad. Oh, I just left. Okay, there's a chainsaw. Okay, don't know how long this video has been, but once Grandma wakes up, it's time to say goodnight. Let's scratch her hair a couple more times.
Oh, she's happy.
Does she have any boogers up there? I guess she fell asleep. Hot, cold. Well, guys, say good night.